cryptocurrencies has a greater potential for growth. Increasingly, there are thoughts that the supporters of XRP will emerge victorious from this struggle. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. What do you think the maximum price for XRP will be in 2022? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is getting more time to challenge the order to hand over certain documents in its lawsuit against Ripple, which could delay the outcome of the case. In the new order, Federal Judge Sarah Netburn says the SEC has until February 17 to file a motion to review a previous order ordering the regulatory body to hand over drafts and emails relating to a speech by William Hinman, a former SEC director, in 2018. Corporate Finance Department. Ripple's legal team will have until February 25 to file a response. The SEC claims that XRP was an unregistered security at its launch and remains a security to this day. However, Hinman does not consider all crypto assets as securities. In his speech in 2018, he said that he does not consider Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH, securities because of the decentralized structure of their networks. Lawyer and crypto legal expert Jeremy Hogan says in a new tweet that there is no silver lining in the solution for Ripple. The fight to get regulatory clarity for the crypto industry continues as Ripple and the SEC are suing it. Ripple has filed an objection to the SEC's recent request for additional time to challenge the recent ruling made by the presiding judge in the case, Sarah Netburn. Ripple claims that the SEC is only trying to delay the case and contradicts itself with its latest proposal. Ripple's defendants responded to a recent motion filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, with a strong refusal. The SEC has filed a motion challenging Judge Sarah Netburn's ruling that several key documents cannot be protected by the Deliberative Process Privilege, DPP, and must be turned over to Ripple. The aspect of the ruling that the SEC most strongly opposed in the filed motion is the highly controversial emails containing a draft of Bill Hinman's speech, which was distributed to the Commission and called Record 9 in the context of the case. The SEC's motion asked the court to give him more time to submit supporting documents that would show that the emails in question were advisory in nature. The Securities and Exchange Commission respectfully declares that these additional documents clarify the truly deliberative nature of the discussions related to the speech within the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Securities and Exchange Commission proposal says. Ripple claims that the SEC contradicted itself because it had long claimed that Hinman's speech was his personal opinion. The Securities and Exchange Commission apparently intends to oppose its repeated allegations and sworn statements that Director Bill Hinman's speech in June 2018 represented only his personal views, Ripple notes. Ripple's legal team also points out that the SEC already had enough time to submit documents before making a decision, but it did not do so. They argue that the SEC cannot be allowed to do this now, because it was a violation of judicial precedent. Despite the fact that in his previous briefing and arguments he had the opportunity to claim that Record 9 and similar documents are related to the agency's discussions on the regulation of Ether or digital assets in a broader sense, he did not do so. He can't do that now, Ripple's proposal says. Members of the Ripple community and owners of the controversial XRP token parse Hinman's speech to point out that contrary to the SEC's claim that it was Hinman's opinion, it doesn't seem to be the case. Staunch XRP supporter John Deaton recently pointed to an interview Hinman gave to CNBC after a speech in which he constantly used "we," referring to how the statements he made in his speech were made. Community members who noted the SEC's decision to hand over drafts of the speech are now asking why the SEC objects to the decision if the speech did not reflect their position. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have somewhat stabilized this week after a sharp sell-off that wiped out more than $1 trillion from the combined cryptocurrency market, while Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP collapsed and raised concerns about a new crypto winter. Subscribe now to Forbes Crypto Asset and Blockchain Advisor and discover hot new NFT and crypto blockbusters ready to bring 1000% profit. The price of Bitcoin has fallen from a peak of almost $70,000 per Bitcoin at the end of last year to around $30,000 this month before recovering slightly, even though some optimistic investors are betting that the price of Bitcoin will eventually reach staggering highs. Now the Wall Street giant Goldman Sachs has warned that a more active introduction of cryptocurrencies may not lead to higher prices, and even damage rumors that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins are diversifying the portfolio. Subscribe now to the free Crypto Codex, a daily newsletter for the crypto curious, helping you understand the world of Bitcoin and cryptography every weekday. Mass adoption can be a double-edged sword, Goldman Sachs strategists wrote this week in a note first published by Bloomberg. While this may boost valuation, it is also likely to increase correlation with other financial market variables, reducing the advantage of asset class ownership diversification. Adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies has increased dramatically over the past year, increasing along with the price of most major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP, with some record triple-digit percentage increases. Wall Street legends, financial giants, well-known companies, and even one country have bought Bitcoin, expecting that the price of Bitcoin will continue to rise. Meanwhile, the popularity of using crypto technologies to recreate traditional financial services, known as decentralized finance, DeFi, and collectible non-interchangeable tokens, NFT, which are largely built on the Ethereum blockchain, has increased as investors invest cash in them. However, Goldman's competitor JP Morgan warned that due to the high fees for Ethereum transactions and the risk of network overload, the NFT market share will be transferred to the Solana blockchain competitor, which may become a problem for the evaluation of Ethereum. Bank of America said Solana could become the Visa of the digital asset ecosystem. Elsewhere, the world's largest technology companies, led by Facebook's newly created parent company Meta, and now with Apple and Microsoft, are being introduced to a virtual reality-based metaverse, and some predict that Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, DeFi and NFT could play a role. According to the company's recently published fourth-quarter report, Ripple's XRP sales recorded a 46% increase over the quarter. Notably, sales attributed to liquidity on demand, ODL, customers exceeded $1 billion in the fourth quarter. This highlights the growth of the company's payment solution. Ripple says it continues to see an increase in global demand for the ODL product. The live XRP price today is $0.61 with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,113,000,000. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.24% in the last 24 hours. Now it is time to reveal who is the lucky winner of our giveaway. We randomly selected one fan who fulfilled all the conditions. And the winner is Mike Frost. Congratulations, Mike Frost. So Cardano Army, let's all congratulate Mike Frost in the comments section below, and tomorrow, we will relaunch our weekly giveaway free 500 XRP. Now let's get back to the video. Do you think XRP will be able to rise to $1? Write your answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.